Cam, are you in?
I'm in.
You're in. Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. Yes, that's right, we are back out doing reviews, and you may have heard a manly voice behind the counter. I say manly. Killer Cam, he's behind the cam.
Cam behind the cam.
Cam behind the cam, because Jess is out and about today, so Cam stepped up to the plate. And let's introduce where we are. We are at Petru Brothers in Chatteris. Now, Chatteris, what would you say, Laurie? So, Watson. Did we get that on there, Cam? You got a lot to learn.
I've got a lot to learn.
You got a lot to learn. Chatteris is probably, would you say, is the first village in the Fens?
I'd say, yeah, probably the first village as you're coming into the Fens from Warboys Way.
Yeah, okay, so we're in the Fens. Beyond the Fen, where we are now, you've got Uzbekistan, places out of that sort of way. What are you laughing for? You can't call it that, no?
No, probably not.
It's okay, it is what it is. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're actually, the Fens, for those of you watching around the UK, the Fens are so flat, we're actually below sea level right now. I know, it's mental. Anyway, also there's no COVID around here either. COVID can't live in this such thin air, or such thick air, isn't it? The air is so thick around here, it kills all viruses. Fact. Right, let's get on with the food. Now, I've got myself here some fish and chips from the Petru Brothers, who, by the way, are widely considered top dogs in the fish and chip game. They consult for a lot of fish and chip places around. You've got the shakes, Cam?
No, I'm good.
They consult.
There you go.
There you go, look. They consult for a, hello mate, just a quick one. Do you go in the Petru Brothers fish and chips?
I haven't for a while.
No, is it the top one?
I don't know. I would say so.
You would say so?
Yeah. So I hear.
So you hear. So I hear as well.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Darren.
Darren. Nice to meet you, Darren. Cam, you've got to get people
Oh,
on.
mate, I'm slacking here.
You are. React, Cam.
React.
These guys are widely considered the best. That's true. This is a national champion in 2006, I believe. It's the real deal. Speaking to the guys in there, it takes 2 seconds to work out why. They're super passionate. They've even got a board up on the wall of where this fish came from and the boat that caught it. The chips, fen potatoes, which we know are the best. Come and have a look, and we'll uncover what we think about. So that colour on that. Here we go. Get in the comments, guys. What do you think? First impressions. First thing that's jumping out of me is the aeration in the batter. Very, very similar to what we've seen on the elite end of the spectrum in the fish and chip game. Right, let's dive in with the chip first. Salt and vinegar, plastered all over it. It's just good. That's better than good. I feel like you're quite far away, Cam.
No.
Get nice and close. You think like you're going to get bloody run over, man. Let's just break this down for you guys. Look at that chip. It's clean. Not an ounce of grease on that whatsoever. Crunchy outside. Fluffy in the middle. Let's try this curry sauce as well. Look at the colour of that curry sauce. It's absolutely electric. Oh, look at that. That's delicious. That's absolutely delicious. Don't know if it's this thick Fenland air I'm breathing. This is getting me excited. One thing I will say about inside the shop as well, they got some state-of-the-art kit mounted on the back wall, which I loved. You actually see what was going on in front of you. It's really interesting. The shop inside as well, incredibly clean, not overproduced, not fancy. I really liked it. Now we're onto the fish. Can you see that? Those little pockets of air. He did blow us away with a bit of a science lesson as well, didn't he? About the batter is not a solid; it's a liquid suspended in gas.
It's a solid suspended in a liquid with gas beating into it.
It's like talking to Isaac Newton. Do you know what I mean? Mental. Anyway, so look, what we're trying to establish here, the man knows his stuff, and there's nothing better than a good portion of fish and chips. And let's crack this open. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Just some fish and chip porn, look. Oi, 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 oi. That's incredible. Right, let's dive in. Yeah, the hype is real. Wow. The batter. You gone to the wrong shop.
Oh no!
My mother-in-law told me to go that way.
Your mother-in-law told you to go that one. Disgrace. He's definitely dying his hair as well, isn't he? He needs to get his roots done. Right. That batter is absolutely sensational. Yeah, it's like disintegrating in your mouth. It was the most amazing flavour. I'm gonna be brutally honest. I wasn't expecting this. I'm gonna put it out there. You were drumming it up on the way here, Cam, weren't you?
I was, admittedly, yep. Rightly so as well.
Why were you drumming it up so much? Because you've been here before.
I went the first time I came here. They blew me away with the quality of fish and chips. I've never had anything like it. Better than the seaside, I'd even say. That's a big statement.
Can't quite get my head around this. This is really special. And I'll tell you why. Yeah, that last bite sealed the deal. I'll tell you why. The batter is a key marker of quality. The fish is glorious. I thought I was coming to an elite fish and chip shop. They're a former national winner, albeit a few years ago. But what they don't know about fish and chips probably ain't worth knowing. I've got a sweet, strong curry flavoured sauce. It's rich in flavour, bright in colour. I've got a fantastic chip, not overdone, fluffy on the inside, crisp on the outside. And I've got a beautiful piece of Icelandic cod. And I know that because it's written on the sign on the wall. Encased in some of the most beautiful batter I've ever had. Now, straight away, my mind is thinking about the Northern Tour when we went to Anstruther and to the fish market, both of which I would put on a par with this. I would put this on a par with them. Anstruther got a 10 out of 10, we know, but that was exceptionally special. The sun was setting, I was on a seaside harbour, and it definitely had that wow factor to the review. But the batter of this, I would say, it is remarkably similar, cut from the same cloth. And I'm visibly getting excited now, because I definitely feel like they're known everywhere, but for our page, we've uncovered a new one. Incredible. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. The fish is remarkable, Cam. The batter's got that light, fluffy, crisp, no grease to it at all. Complete game changer for what should be expected from your local chippy. That heavy, thick case on your batter. It sits heavy in your stomach. It's not how fish and chips are supposed to be. This is a British delicacy, and rightly so. Now, before we crack on, drink watch. And I'm going to be brutally honest about this. Dr. Pepper, excuse me. I'm going to be brutally honest about this. The drink selection was appalling. One of the worst I've seen. We've had all the basics, even some of the Pepsi basics. Terrible. Drinks for me are equally as important as the meal, as we know. Drink watch. Dr. Pepper has saved the day. Literally. Thank God for the doctor. I'm going to give this a very, very elite score. This is missing that 1-2%, if that. That being maybe location, but I'm not actually going to hold it back for that, because doing this type of food in a fen town like this probably deserves more credit. Anyone could jazz it up on a harbour. I'm going to give this a 9.8. You happy with that, Cam?
Yeah,
Big score.
that works.
That is a big, big score. Something is holding me back for that top of the tree banana. That, ladies and gents, is a special, special piece of fish. You can even see now, so that's all the aeration in the batter. Gone are the days where you could get away with serving shit on my watch. Thanks for watching, everyone. We are back in the game. Those who worry about COVID, don't. The air is way too thick down here for any viruses to live. The locals can barely get by themselves. Chatteris, it's been a pleasure. 20,000 people, 2 surnames. It's been awesome. Welcome to the Fens, ladies and gentlemen. And that was a very special review, and I'm glad to be back on the horse. Thanks for watching, everyone.